Tokyo Station. Oh, ang galing ng aso.
Diretso pa?
Oh yeah. Yeah, walk. Parang maganda dito, parang malalaking building dito sa Tokyo Station.
Ay, ito yung parang Makati.
Yun oh.
Okay.
Oo, yun yun. Maano natin, may utilize natin yung oras eh. Ang lapit lang ng biyahe eh.
Kaya,
Basta mabilis lang tayo. This is Imperial Palace Garden. So going there. SC start. Pagod ka na.
bright and early.
Need to keep walking. To lose all the... Oh, yesterday too, we walked too much. Malapit na kami. That's it, man.
Ay, nakapila sila, Dad.
Well, that's fine. Pag nag...
Line is there.
No, pag nagbukas yan, di ba, papapasukin na lahat.
Dito na tayo. Kasi pila.
Ha? Oh, there's a lineup to go inside the garden.
Pero ano, no?
Ano? Ooh. Ay, ito pala hindi ko pakita.
Hindi pwede.
Ano sila, what is that, 22? We can go there, we can go in there right before we go. No, not today. Sa Monday, we go.
Naglali sila doon mag-asawa.
Wala, may line niya.
Ay, okay. Hindi may line.
Do you have a paper?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you. はい、アランジャネックフリーズ。アランジャネックフリーズ。OK。じゃあ、レッツゴー、ここから集めて。
Dito daw konti. Ewan ko kung sabi.
アランジャネックフリーズ。OK。
Ganyan. Kita natin yung ano. Kita natin yung hari. Okay, we're getting inside. Grabe yung ano, no? Barricade. Talagang ano. Selyado, hindi ka makakapasok basta-basta. Laki ng ano. Laki ng ano pa yan. Ay, meron nang papasukan.
report that they thought it was not necessary to do such certification. Used here are said to be softer than normal stone, so even if someone would fall, they won't be seriously injured, I was told. Meganebashi, meaning, do you know megane in Japanese? Yeah, it's an eyeglasses. Because the arches of the bottom of the bridge reflects on the surface of water and looks like an eyeglasses. Yeah, today, perfect. It looks like an eyeglass. You will see it later on. And so that's why it has the nickname Meganebashi. And to your right, there's another bridge. It's an iron bridge of the main gate. And this bridge stands at the 30 meters height above the moat below. But during typical